This is a training video about how to disassemble our HSM series servo motor. In order to facilitate the video taking, we have prepared 3 same motors here, a complete one, a half disassembled motor, and a motor which is nearly being disassembled. Now let's start with the first one. Take the 4 screws out of the power aviation plug. In order to save time, we have pre-loosened the screws a bit. Use the electric soldering iron to disconnect the 3 wires from the power aviation plug. By following up the same process, let's take the encoder aviation plug out. However, please don't disconnect the encoder cable. Then use the screwdriver to take the encoder cover off. The second motor is showing us what the motor looks like when we take the encoder cover off. And let's use the second motor and take the encoder apart from the motor. There is an M4 hexagon bolt in the middle of the encoder. 3 extra M3 screws sit aside. We need to take all of them out to remove the encoder. Next, insert the M5 screw into the inner hole of the encoder, top of the encoder. Up until now, we have taken the encoder out of the motor, and the next part is the front and back covers of the motor. Unscrew the 4 bolts from the front cover and use the wood hammer to knock the cover off the motor. Then use the gripper to take the front bearing off the rotor. Let's take a look at motor 3, and this is how the motor looks like once we have taken this bearing out. On the back side of the motor, we need to unscrew the M5 bolts. Place the motor vertically, hold the motor case and push it. Take the rotor out of the case, and we now have completed the whole process of servo motor disassembling. If you have anything unclear, please contact us directly. Thank you very much.